Hi there, and welcome to Music of Magic. The scale that you're currently hearing right now is called the pentatonic scale. It's called the pentatonic scale, penti, meaning 5. It uses 5 notes. This is an incredibly common scale used in countless songs. It's a scale that's great for solos, improvisation, riffs, and is used in blues, rock, country, metal, and more. We're going to begin on the 1st fret of the 6th string. Next, we have the 4th fret of the 6th string. After, we have the 1st fret of the 5th string. Next is the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Next is the 1st fret of the 4th string. And finally, we have the 3rd fret of the 4th string. These are the basic notes for the pentatonic scale. Now that we've played these notes, let's do an exercise going up and down to get you comfortable using these notes. We have the tabs below. Follow along with us. Here we go. Ready? Real quickly, hit that like and subscribe button to let us know you're enjoying this lesson and to stay up to date as we release our new lessons and videos. Thank you very much to all of our supporters. Now back to the video. Now that we've played it up and down, let's turn it into a riff and make a bit of fun music. Find the tabs below and follow along. First, we're going to start it slow, and then we'll bring up the tempo just a little bit. Follow along. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's bring up the tempo just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, well we hope you're enjoying that rockin' little riff using the 6 notes of our minor pentatonic scale. In our next lesson of the minor pentatonic scale, we're going to use all 6 strings and give you another exercise to get you comfortable using all 6 strings for the minor pentatonic scale. Well, we look forward to seeing you in our part 2 of the minor pentatonic scale. Keep on playing.